Welcome back to the channel, guys. On today's video we're going to repair this Volvo FH cab, which we already took off the chassis, mounted on a jig, and the damage is on this A pillar and the side, which apparently the driver went off the road, went through the hedge and glanced the tree on this side. So damage is on that passenger side on the left hand. You can tell that's pushed back. This door, that door don't fit anymore. So damage dented the roof there, scraped all the side and scratched it all. We're going to replace this door, and I'm just going to pull this post out, A pillar, and decide later what to do with it, replace it or repair it. So let's get on with the video. Okay, I did pull a bit on the front, but it feels very hard post to pull, very tough. It's actually 3 skins in there, so, and there's 10mm difference still between that and that. 10mm different still, it wants to go forward. So, and to repair this post, I will need to cut it off anyway. So I might just cut it off now and pull it when it's off. Right, I got it pulled. It went pretty easy with no effort at all, without this, with this post being cut off, and now I can start process of cleaning, getting ready for the new one. Right, I've got this post on just to try how it looks. It looks pretty good, and I've got it fit on them holes perfectly, but I need to cut it probably halfway between them two holes, so So now I can see when I need to cut top and bottom. Just tried this post on, new post, fits pretty good here, but there's a little up to there. This panel inside wants to go forward about 4 or 5 mil, and there's a little gap under there as well, so it looks like I need to grab it there and pull it forward a bit, so it fits better in this position. It's perfect up to here, but there it wants to go forward. Okay, post is in, got it clamped in, and it fits much better now. All this is nice and flush there, and it's 100 times better inside here. It's tight, now it's tight there. I know you can't hardly see it, but and it fits perfectly there, and I will just probably give it a few spot welds, tacks, and probably try this door on. Right, we've got a door on, fits perfectly. The gap in the front here looks good. Across the back looks the same. And I can go ahead and weld this A-pillar properly in. Right, everything is welded on, cleaned and sanded. Even the side panel and roof side repaired. It's pretty much ready for the boys in the paint shop, this side, but we also have got this bit on the back of the cab. There's like two holes there, which happens obviously when you had the accident down this side. That back of the cab's been pushed by this exhaust, and there's like two bolts in there sticking out there, so that will happen to it. So I need to fix that and we go from there. Okay, I've got all the filler done, just basically to smooth everything out. Not a lot of filler there. And now the boys in the paint shop will take it over. Even this bit is done. Right, the cab is on. We already put the cab on. We're going to go ahead and put everything back on it, and we can send it on the road. Job took 85 hours to complete. Thank you for watching, see you on the next one.